Hey, what's cracking YouTube? Thank you guys for clicking by. My name's Justin, and today I am out on a little bit of a field trip just playing with some of my new photography toys. My newest addition that I've currently got you guys setting on right now is a DJI Ronin-SC gimbal, and so far I've been really impressed with it in a lot of ways and really frustrated with it in a lot of other ways, which are probably all user errors, but we'll figure all that crap out later. I came out to Auburn, Alabama today. It's about a 45, maybe an hour drive from my house, and I was gonna try to get some cool shots downtown, see if I could see anything cool out there worth taking a picture of, and ended up sitting in the sun for about 2 hours and got really frustrated because I couldn't figure out how to get my photos to be perfectly exposed. I kept getting really under or really overexposed, so I might have drove out here for nothing, but the sun is getting ready to go down, and I've got a little bit of daylight left. It's about 35-40 minutes until sunset, and we're gonna send the drone up and see if we can get some cool footage of that. So I've got my DJI Mavic 2 Pro chilling right here on the tailgate, and in case you can't tell, I'm somewhat of a DJI fanboy, but that's all right. So what I've come out here to shoot is this old abandoned water park that I haven't seen in about 5 years, and last time I came out here, let me turn you guys around here, I'm still getting used to this gimbal. Last time I came out here and did a little urban exploring was about 5 years ago, like I said, and that was a lot of good fun. We crawled up the slides and whatnot very carefully, and now I'm gonna send the drone over there and see what I can see with that, and hopefully we don't get kicked out. I would love to go over there, but as you can see, there is a ocean of kudzu right now, and I'm not stepping foot in that because I don't have my boots on. Man, this selfie feature is really cool in this thing. Just turn you guys back around. There we go. It's about as cool as it gets, man. All right, buddy, time to wake up. What do you know? Compass error. What's freaking new? Every time. Every time. So fucking annoying.
That boy ain't right.
And that's a wrap, folks. Alright, and that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys for clicking by, and if you stayed to the end, you get a special thank you. And if you like the video, leave me a like, and I'll keep pumping out videos and just getting better every day. That's the motto I'm trying to live by, is just better every day. And we'll see where that takes me. Until next time, guys, you guys take care.